Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and create a fun makeup look using the new ColourPop and Becky G collaboration palette. If you guys do not know who Becky G is, she's a Latina pop artist and I listen to her music. So this is a palette right here. I was actually in Mexico when this palette got released. I was just like, oh my god, am I going to be able to get my hands on this palette? And thank god I did. All the way from Mexico, I was actually on my phone online making sure that I got this palette. I wasn't able to get the PR box, which I really wanted. I guess that one sold out quick, but I was able to get my hands on the collections, and I really love this whole like design that's in the packaging right here. It says right here Salvaje, which is the name of the palette. In English it's called Savage. And of course the rest of the collection was all these lippies. I'm gonna be doing some swatches for you guys as well, and it also does have two highlighters in this collection, which is the name of this one is actually Princesa, and the name of this one is actually Chisme. For those of you guys that do not know, Princesa is princess and Chisme is gossip. A little thing I want to let you guys know that yes, oh my god you guys, Mexico was so amazing. If you guys haven't seen my latest vlog, I actually vlogged my whole trip in Mexico, and I wanted to bring you guys with me and share with you guys. This recent trip that I just did was like amazing. Anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. I haven't really opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. I'm like super excited because I just been wanting this collection, and oh my god, these are so beautiful. So these are the shades that come in this palette. From top it's actually Luna, the one next over is Cafecito, the next one over is Estrella, the next one over is Celosa, the second row down is actually Malbec, the second one after that is Patrona, which is Boss, and the one next over is actually Vibra, and the one next over is Sirena, and the last row is actually Corona, the next one is Sangria, the next one is Caramelo, last but not least is actually Lola. So these are the shades that come in this palette. I'm really excited to create this fun look for you guys. Okay guys, so first I already went ahead and applied the foundation off camera. I also did the concealer off camera as well as my eyebrows to speed the process up. And first I'm going to go ahead and apply translucent powder underneath the eyes just in case if there's any fallout. Now first I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Sangria, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the crease area. So just so you guys know, for the eyeshadow base I'm actually using concealer, and I'm using the, oh my god, that is so pigmented. I'm actually using the Makeup Revolution concealer, which is this one right here. This was in C8, and girl, this thing is so pigmented. Oh my god, look at that. Now using the shade Lola, I'm going to go ahead and blend that shadow out. If you see that your shadow's actually fading away, go ahead and use the same brush that you used to apply Sangria, and of course pack more of the shadow on. And next I'm going to go ahead and grab some concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid area. I'm going to do like a half moon cut crease. Grabbing my concealer, grabbing this little brush, I'm going to go ahead and just apply this on my lid area. And next I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Patrona, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid area where I actually applied the concealer. Now next I'm going to go ahead and use this shade Celosa. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid area, the area where it's actually closer to the inner corner of the eye. I'm also going to go ahead and blend that in with the shade Patrona. Using the shade Malbec, I'm going to go ahead and blend the outer corner with the shade Patrona on this area right here. Now next I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Sirena, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath the lower lash line. And next I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Vibra, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath the lower lash line, the area where it's actually closer to the waterline. So this is what I have so far for the eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is what I have so far for the eyes. So next we're going to go ahead and apply some bronzer. Now for that we're going to be using the Profusion highlight and contour palette, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and bronze the face. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the contour to define it a bit more. I also went ahead and applied translucent powder on the side of my contour on the nose. And next I'm going to go ahead and use the Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Besame, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my lips. So this is the shade Mija. This is the shade Secreto. This is the shade Flor. And this is the shade Chola. I am going to go ahead and remove any translucent powder. I'm not going to go ahead and apply any blush today. Next I'm going to go ahead and set the face using the Kokie Cosmetics setting spray, which is this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. Now using this Luster Dust, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the face, which is in the shade Chisme. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the high points of the cheek. So this is what I have so far for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I'll be right back. And yes, you guys, this concludes for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me creating this look. I had an amazing time creating this look for you guys. And let me let you guys know that I'm very proud for Becky G for being the very first artist collaborated with ColourPop, and for also being a Latina woman, that any dream is actually possible. So congratulations, Becky G and ColourPop. I had an amazing time creating this look for you guys. All the products that I used will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. I was very sad that I wasn't able to get my hands on the PR box, which I really wanted so bad, but I was able to get my hands on the collection, which was good. The whole collection was very well put together, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I was able to create this beautiful fun look for you guys. I also wanted to go ahead and add this little top to go with this look. Of course, this little flower, but I'm living for this whole look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be leaving all the products I use down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being subscribed to this channel. And for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being subscribed and being part of this journey, which means so much to me. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new video. I also do have social media, which I'll be leaving all those links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yes, you guys, this is it for this video. So until next time, be careful, be safe. Bye, guys.